So when you have your joints are acting up because you're using it too much, the reason why it's getting this bad is not because of the activity, okay, it's a part to play, but because your body is not removing waste from the area, okay? So this causes inflammation, this causes acids to be there and to burn, and it will burn affect tissue and your joints, okay? And ligaments, etc. So to heal this, use a castor oil pack on the area, number one. Number two, use my kidney filtration oil on my turmeric salve. It will help with the inflammation and get rid of the pain. At the same time, you change the diet, go on an off-root diet, move the lymph system, use herbs for your kidneys because this is a kidney problem, okay? The fact that the kidneys can't remove the waste and the lymphatic system can't remove the waste means that you have inflammation in the joints. And work on your kidneys and lymphatic system, use parathyroid herbs because that's the gland that makes your calcium. We need to strengthen that and work on your kidneys and your adrenal glands, the Fabulous 5, and give it time. You will fix it, okay? I don't know how far gone it is, but I would fix it naturally that way.